extraordinary night with extraordinary results. An unprecedented attack on Israel met with an unprecedented sense of resolve and determination and military capability. That's I think we'll know a little bit more in coming days as the president has made clear. Everything he's been doing since October 7th has been to try to keep this from becoming a wider regional war. And he pre-positioned forces, even in the last few days, destroyers and fighter squadrons into the region to help Israel defend itself, to keep it from becoming a wider war, to keep it from escalating further. So we'll obviously be vigilant to any threat coming forward and making sure that we're meeting that need. As I looked at last night, what it tells me is that we can make good on our commitment to defend Israel. It tells me that Israel does have superior military capability. Just think about the hardware that Iran threw into the sky and how little damage that caused. I mean, that's a real testament to how strong the IDF is. It also tells me, and it should tell everybody else, that Israel's not alone. The president and the prime minister had a good discussion largely about the extraordinary success of last night. Again, look, as I said earlier, the president has been very clear, publicly so. We don't seek a war with Iran. We don't seek an escalated tensions in the region. We don't seek a wider conflict. And everything he's been doing, literally since the 7th of October, has been designed to that outcome.